Welcome back everybody to another video. Today we're here with a 2013 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. We're doing a valve cover gasket on the 2-liter turbo. I'm gonna take you through step by step, save you some money. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let's get into it. Step 1, pop your hood. We need to get this valve cover off, which requires us to disconnect everything in the way. First things first, 10 millimeter on this little coil cover. And we have there, we have there, we have there, and we have there. We need to undo the coils. You pull up on that gray clip, then you can push down here and wiggle and disconnect the coil. You're going to do that to all 4 of these. Use a 10 millimeter, remove the bolts that hold the coils in. Squeeze and unplug the manifold pressure sensor. There's a sensor right here, not sure what it is, but unplug it and pull it. Reach down in here, unplug all 4 injectors, and then remove this 10 millimeter and this 10 millimeter, and this harness can get moved out of the way. Damn it. Remove that bolt, this bolt, and this bolt. Remove this 10 millimeter that's holding these vacuum lines. Use a pair of pliers, scoot these clamps out of the way here, and then you can disconnect these hoses from the valve cover. I don't have the correct socket in millimeters, but I think it's a 21. It's a 13/16. We're going to remove the PCV valve and replace it right now with the new one. The PCV valve I got is a brand is standard V509. Remove the 10 millimeter bolts in the center first, and then go around and remove all the ones around the outside now. Once you get all the bolts out, you're gonna have to use probably a panel popper or a tiny flathead to start it to come up. Then once you got it up, you're just going to work it, and pull it out. Gasket's all broken, ripped. So we're going to clean this with brake cleaner, get it all nice and pretty. Over here we need to peel off this gasket, throw it away. Once you get all the gasket off, you're going to take a rag and brake cleaner. You're going to wipe it all down. In where they have the timing cover and stuff, we have to clean the RTV and replace that RTV. After cleaning as much as possible, you're gonna blow it dry or let it dry, and we're gonna put the new gasket into the valve cover. The new valve cover gasket is Felpro VS50923R. Got the new valve cover pressed in nice and tight so it doesn't come out. Put the bolts on a rag, spray them down with brake cleaner, try to get them as pretty as possible. We got these pieces here cleaned up. Before we put the valve cover on, we're going to put a dab of RTV on that crack so oil doesn't leak out of the crack. We have a little bit of RTV on each side. Now install this by hand. Take all of these and just put them in finger tight first, just to make sure they're all lined up. Now that I have them all in finger tight, I'm going to start going in a circle like so, and we're just going to go till it gets a little tight. And then, so you go in a circle and then go down the middle. Circle, down the middle. I went around about 3 times to be safe. I didn't want to over torque one and crack this thing. So I just went a little by little, 3 times around. Everything is bottomed out and tight. At this point, all you're going to do is put everything back together, coils, plug everything back in, put the little coil cover on, and you're done. Pretty easy job, to be honest. There it is, all back together. Verify everything is plugged in, all your hoses, things like that. Hopefully this video helped you do this work yourself, saved a bunch of money. If it did, help me out on Patreon, $1 a month. That's 12 bucks for the whole year. That's like 1.5 Starbucks coffees. Help me out, it means more than you think it does. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Till next time, wrench on.